welcome back. The time is 5:47. Let's get your look at weather and traffic on the 7s. Well, we are going to see some noticeable changes today. We are seeing those comfortable conditions kind of accelerating into more of uncomfortable conditions. Today we are looking at some stronger wind speeds. We're also looking at some potential for blowing dust and sand. And although temperatures are looking warm for now, we are seeing a cold front move into the region. Of course, temperatures are expected to drop in the coming days. So for today, we are looking at a windy Thursday. Now, overall, this isn't looking to be the strongest wind event we've seen, but we are going to notice some changes from yesterday. So we've been having those breezy conditions. For today, we are kicking up into a stronger wind. So overall, looks pretty manageable. Wind speeds at 20 to 30 miles per hour sustained. Now, this is coming out of the west-southwest. Our peak wind gusts, though, that's what we're keeping an eye out on. We do have potential to see them at 45 to even 50 miles per hour. So definitely on the strong side there. Now, these winds are going to start accelerating about afternoon time between the peak hours of 1 and 6. And as I mentioned, these winds are coming from the west, so the areas that stand to see the most impact are east and northeast areas. But I want to take you to a look at our wind speeds right now. Not an issue right now. If you step outside, might be a little chilly just for the start of your morning, but overall the wind's not really an issue. We are going to start to see them again develop coming into our afternoon time. So this is a look at our StormTrack wind gust model at 9 a.m. It looks like we could see some breezy conditions throughout the region, but advancing this model to about 12. That's when we really start to boil over into the windy side of things. Now, this is of course a model, so an estimate. We can always see these numbers fluctuate. They can arrive a little sooner, a little later, but this model again suggesting we could see some winds develop at about 12. Now, advancing this model further, we can see these winds developing further at about 3 p.m., but it is about 5 to 6 p.m. that we're really starting to see these winds potentially hitting their peak. So it looks like about 5 p.m. we could see Deming with 40 miles per hour for those wind gusts. You can see Las Cruces near 40, El Paso near 40 miles per hour as well. So throughout the region, looking to reach a peak at about 5 p.m. Here's a look now at your 7-day forecast sponsored by Mattress Firm. Of course, temperatures are still going to look comfortable for today and tomorrow. We are going to see windy conditions today, some dusty conditions, breezy conditions for your Thursday. Come Thursday, Friday, we see a cold front move in and our rain chances go up in time for St. Patrick's. Michael?